सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले हम। सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले हम। रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम। बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम। सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम। स्कूल चले हम। हो
Before I begin speaking anything, I congratulate you, dear students, for the good result and for faring well and progressing forward to the new class. So congratulations to each of you. Give clap for yourself. So this year result is the hard work of all your teachers. Do you say yes or no? Did your teachers help you? Shall we say thank you to our teachers? So say loudly, thank you teachers. So thank you dear teachers for all your hard work in helping these children to perform well in their exams as well as in their life. And then dear children, as I welcome you to this new session 2025-26, I used to wish you all the best for all that you will be learning throughout this year. Hard work is the golden key that unlocks the closed doors of the future. Let me repeat. Hard work is the golden key that unlocks the doors of the closed future. A new academic year always brings with it new beginnings, new ideas, fresh opportunities and renewed commitment and dedication. Dear teachers and students, as we step forward, as we begin this new academic year 2025-26, let us remind ourselves of the values that shape a true learning environment, the value of sincerity, the value of fairness, and the value of dedication. Dear teachers, on this auspicious day, the first day of this academic year, I just want to tell you, rather I just want to remind you, you are the architects of these young minds that are sitting in front of you. Your guidance can shape their future not only just through the lessons that you teach, but by the values that you uphold. Therefore, let us be mindful that every child is unique, every child deserves equal attention, every child deserves equal encouragement, and every child deserves equal care. Partiality can break a child's spirit. At the same time, fairness can build the character and can build the confidence of each child entrusted to your care. Therefore, let our every dedication, every effort that we make in pursuit of teaching our students be sincere, treating every student with the same love, same patience, and same care and hope. Dear students, I wish you all the best, as well as I also encourage you to work hard. As it was said in the speech, ask the questions, keep yourself actively present in the class, strive not just for grades, not just for marks, but strive for excellence, strive for knowledge, Strive for discipline and strive for good character. Respect every teacher you meet. Listen to them. Listen to their classes. Listen to their advices. Value the learning process or value everything that you learn. But above everything else, give your best. Give your 100%. This year you have got whatever may be the result, but next year try always to secure more than what you have done this year. So let this year be a year of wisdom, hard work and heartfelt dedication. Dear teachers and students, as we walk together, as we work together, let us make this year every moment a special one for each of ourselves, colleagues and to the students who are interested to our care. Wishing you all a fruitful and blessed academic year 2025-26. God bless you all.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले हम रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम हो, हो। दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम